Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Family. I'm so happy you are here today. Today, we are going to learn English at a fast food restaurant. You will learn how to read a menu, how to order food, and how to ask for things you need. The English is simple and slow. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Sam, wait. I am very hungry. I did not eat this morning.
Me too, Maya. I'm hungry as well. Oh, look over there.
I see it. It is a fast food restaurant. Do you want to go in?
Yes, I love fast food. It is quick and it is delicious.
Great. Let's go inside.
Maya, wait. I have a small problem.
A problem? What is the problem, Sam?
I do not know how to order food in English. I feel nervous. What do I say?
Do not worry, Sam. Ordering food in English is very simple. The sentences are short. I will help you.
Really? Thank you, Maya. I feel better already.
Come on, let's go inside together. Come on, let's go inside together.
Wow, the menu is very big. There are so many things.
Yes, but do not worry. Let me explain. Look here. Do you see the word burger?
Yes, I see it. What is a burger?
A burger is meat inside a soft, round bun. A bun is the bread. Together, they make a burger.
Okay, burger. Got it. And what are fries?
Fries are small pieces of potato. They are cooked in hot oil. They are salty and crispy, very popular.
I love fries. They are my favorite. What about this word? Combo. I see it many times on the menu. What does combo mean?
Great question. A combo is a set meal. You get 3 things together: a burger, fries, and a drink, all for one price. It is cheaper than buying each thing alone.
Oh, so a combo is a burger, fries, and a drink all together.
Yes, exactly right. And you can choose the size: small, medium, or large.
Small is the smallest, large is the biggest, and medium is in the middle. I understand.
Perfect! You are learning very fast, Sam. Hello. Welcome. May I take your order? May I take your order means, what would you like to eat? Come on.
What do I say?
Just say, can I get a burger combo, please?
Can I get a burger combo, please? Hi, yes. Can I get a burger combo, please?
Of course. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Great. And what would you like to drink? We have cola, orange juice, lemonade, and water.
Can I get a lemonade, please? Lemonade. Lemonade.
Sure. A medium burger combo with lemonade. Anything else? Anything else? This means, do you want more food?
No, thank you. That is all.
Okay. Is this for here or to go? For here means you eat inside. To go means you take the food with you.
For here, please. We will eat inside.
Perfect. Your total is $7.50. Thank you. Total. Total. The total is the full price you pay.
I did it. I ordered in English.
You were amazing, Sam. See? Very simple. Sam, look. Our food is here. Do you see this flat thing we are carrying? It is called a tray. 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 You carry your food on a tray.
Tray. Okay, I will remember that. And what is this paper thing on the table? Is it a tissue?
Almost. We call it a napkin. Napkin. A napkin is a small piece of paper or cloth. You use it to wipe your hands and your mouth.
Napkin. Got it. Oh, and what is this red sauce?
That is ketchup. Ketchup is a sweet red sauce. It is made from tomatoes. You can put ketchup on your fries or your burger.
Ketchup. I know this word. We use ketchup in my country too. Let me try it on my fries. Sam tries the fries with ketchup. Oh, wow, this is so good. I want more ketchup. How do I ask for more ketchup?
Very easy. You say, "Can I get more ketchup, please?" Can I get more ketchup, please?
Can I get more ketchup, please? Like that?
Perfect. And if you need one more napkin, you say, "Can I have another napkin, please?" Can I have another napkin, please?
Can I have another napkin, please?
Excellent. You sound very natural. Two useful patterns. Can I get more for things like ketchup and water? And can I have another for things like a napkin or a cup?
I understand. Can I get more fries? Can I have another cup? Yes, this is easy.
Yes, you are doing so well today. Also, the staff gave us this paper. Do you know what it is called?
Is it a receipt? Receipt.
Yes, a receipt is the paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. Always keep your receipt. If there is a problem with your order, you will need it.
Receipt. Okay, I will always keep it.
Okay, Sam. Before we go, let's do a quick review. Are you ready?
Yes, let's do it.
What is a menu?
A menu is the list of food and drinks at a restaurant.
Good. What is a combo?
A combo is a set meal, a burger, fries, and a drink together.
What is a tray?
A tray is the flat thing you carry your food on.
What do you say when you want to order?
Can I get a burger combo, please?
And what do you say if you want more ketchup?
Can I get more ketchup, please?
Sam, you are incredible. I am so proud of you.
Thank you, Maya. Today was so much fun. I learned so many new words. I feel confident now. I can order food in English.
Next time, let's go to a coffee shop together. I will teach you coffee shop English.
Coffee shop English? Yes, I love coffee. I can't wait.
Excellent work today, everyone. You learned so many useful words. Let's remember them together. Menu, burger, fries, combo, tray, napkin, ketchup, receipt. And you learned two important phrases. Can I get more? And can I have another? Practice these words today. Say them out loud. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to Simple English Family. New videos every day, just for you. See you next time. Goodbye.